October 24 is the World Beef Tripe Day. As a cooking material, although the word tripe is unfamiliar to ordinary people, it can be made into delicious food. World Beef Tripe Day is a day to boost the reputation of this meat dish. If your family doesn't take tripe as part of normal diet, the best way to celebrate World Tripe Day is to let yourself accept new cooking experience, which is an opportunity to learn to love new things. This is our oil pastel painting and its painting time lapse for this special day. Have a great day!